How do you fix a twisted stitch when you're knitting? And what does it look like? I'm going to show you. Say you're knitting along and you come up to a stitch that doesn't feel quite right. And if you've been knitting even just for a little bit, you're probably going to feel it. It might be a little tougher to get your needle in. It might slide around and twist on the needle. But look at this. So a normal knit stitch is going to have the front leg slightly in front of this back one. And a twisted stitch, you can see this back leg kind of protruding just ever so slightly over this front one. And all you need to do is stick your needle through the back loop. Instead of going through the front loop, you go through the back loop and you knit just like normal. And that untwists the stitch. So here again, another twisted stitch. Go in through that back loop and knit. And there's a way to do the purl stitch as well, and I'll show you that. So if you come up to a purl stitch that is twisted, I'll show you what a normal stitch looks like first. So for the purl stitch, you have this leg in the back sort of sitting behind this front leg. So if you come up to a stitch that looks like this, you see the back leg is slightly in front of that front one. It's probably a twisted stitch. And all you do for that is, normally you'd purl like this, but you go in through the back and purl like normal. And that puts it back into an untwisted position. So here again, another twisted stitch. Fixed.